Hello, welcome to all at my channel Question Adda. Today we are going to learn history of computer. Computer have become a basic need of our life. It is used almost every workplace. It may be home, school, bank, hospital, media, entertainment, industries, airport, office, research, space, meteorological department, etc. Today we are going to learn some important facts about computer. Let's start. First one. Abacus was the first mechanical device for calculating and developed in China in 3000 BC. Abacus was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In 1617, John Napier made a calculating device made up of curved bone, named Napier bones. It was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and square roots. Third one, in 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculator. This calculator was capable of performing only addition and subtraction. He used the gear principle and further employed in many mechanical calculators. Fourth one, in 1820, Charles Xavier Thomas created the first successful mechanical calculator named Thomas Arithmometer. It was used to calculate addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It was based on Leibniz work. Next one. British mathematician Charles Babbage invented difference engine and analytical engine in 1822 and 1833 respectively. He is considered as father of computers. Analytical engine has 5 units: input, output, store, mail, and control. All the computers used in nowadays are based on it. Next one. Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was an English mathematician who suggested binary data storage. There are two binary numbers 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. She is considered as first programmer. This is an important question here. Next one. Reynold P. Johnson is regarded as the father of disk drive. Next one. In 1944, Harvard Icahn developed first automatic sequence controlled calculator named Mark I. It was capable to execute long computations automatically. Next one. In 1946, first general purpose electronic digital computer ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and computer, was invented by John Matchley and Presper Eckert. It was 1000 times faster than Mark I. Next one. In 1950, EDVAC, electronic discrete variable automatic computer, was built by John von Neumann, Presper Eckert, and John Matchley. EDVAC was based on binary code. It was an improved version of ENIAC. Next one. In 1951, ENIAC 1 Universal Automatic Computer was the first commercial available computer. This is an important question here. It was designed by Presper Eckert and John Matchley. It was the first computer equipped with magnetic tape and 2-use buffer memories. Here, another important question. Next point. Andre Trong Trong Thi, a Vietnamese French engineer, is considered as the father of the personal computer for creating the Micrel microcomputer based on Intel 8008 processor in 1973. Apple I is a desktop computer released by Apple Computer Company in 1976. It was designed and hand-built by Steve Wozniak. The idea of selling the computer came from Wozniak's friend Steve Jobs. In 1981, IBM PC was invented that created the revolution in the field of computer. This is an important question here. Next one. There are 5 generations of computers where speed, storage, and reliability increase, whereas cost and size decrease. Now learn about the 5 generations of computers. Have a look on this table. First generation computer, time period 1940 to 56. First generation computer are based on vacuum tube. Data input operation are punch cards. Data output operation means punch cards as the main storage medium assembly. External storage by magnetic tapes. Language are machine assembly. This is very low level language. Important question here. Example are UNIVAC, ADVAC, ENIAC. Now second generation computer. Time period is 1956 to 63. Second generation computer are based on transistor. Data input operation, punch cards and magnetic tapes. Data output operation, punch cards. External storage by magnetic tapes. Language Fortran, COBOL, BASIC, PL1. Example are IBM 1400 and 700 series, IBM 350. Now third generation computer, time period is 1964 to 71, based on integrated circuit IC. Data input operation by keyboard, data output operation by monitor, external storage now magnetic disk. Language Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, RPG. Example are IBM System 360, Apple I, LTR. Important question here. Example of third generation computer, Apple I, IBM System, LTR. It to be noticed. Fourth generation computer. Time period is from 1972 to present, based on microprocessor. It can be called as VLSC, very large scale circuit. Data input operation, keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Data output operation, monitor, printer, speakers. External storage by magnetic disk with high storage capacity. Language is RDBMS and C++. Example are IBM PC in 1980, Apple Macintosh in 1984. Now fifth generation computer. Time period will be future. And these computers are based on artificial intelligence AI. Data input operation, optical fiber technology to handle artificial intelligence, capacity to think and reason. Language, understand human speech, recognize pattern like face and other complex images. All this about the generation of computers. Now it is the time to check your memory, what you learned from this video, from this text. Pick a pen and a paper.